Hey everyone! If Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater is not launching, keeps crashing, or won't even start on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several proven solutions, step by step, so you can get back into the game. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater. Right-click on it and select Properties. On the left side, click on Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and repair them automatically. Just wait until the process is finished, then try launching the game again. Solution 2. Again, right-click on Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater in your Steam library and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Browse Local Files. In the Game folder, find mgsdelta.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. Now relaunch your game. This fix alone solves the crash for many players. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search and install the latest driver for your graphics card. After it's updated, restart your PC and try the game again. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Launch the app and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If there's a new driver available, install it. This ensures your GPU is running the latest version optimized for the game. Solution 5. Sometimes crashes happen because your system is missing key runtime files. Here's how to fix that. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the downloads for x86 and x64. First, download VC Redist x86. Then download VC Redist x64. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click VC Redist x64. Press Yes, accept the terms, wait for it to install, and then click Close. Don't restart yet. Now double-click VC Redist x86 and install it the same way. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After this step, launch Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater again. It should now work without crashing. And that's it. After trying these solutions, your game should finally launch and run without crashing. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy playing Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater.